to our very special MCs, Mr. John Humphrey and Mr. David Hayden. I really want to thank all of you, third, fourth, and fifth graders. You did an amazing job at State Assembly. Remember, this is Black History Month. Remember, Black history is part of American history. We will continue to celebrate it and learn about all of the things that make that special in a very diverse place. You did an amazing job yesterday as well. I want to give you a round of applause.
I'm gonna have 4 new videos. I'm gonna have 5 videos up today. I'm gonna plan on getting 4 or 5 videos up today. Hey guys, I'm planning on putting up 4 or 5 videos today. If not 5, it's 4. And you're in it. You're in it. The second star of the show, because the star of the show is already baby. Yay! Star of the show is you. I do.
We're still in a large group together. We have to respect the time and the space. At this time, 5th grade, you can stand. And start in the front. We'll make our way out. 4th grade. 5th grade will go out the back. Thank you, Ms. Alvarez. 4th grade, you want the exit. 3rd grade, you'll exit back.
Bye everybody.
What about us?
Bye everybody. The play is over now. Bye. Oh yeah. Part 1 to 4 is going to be uploaded on same day.